Have you ever walked into a room and felt invisible? Or maybe you've tried to express an idea, only for it to fall flat while someone else says the same thing and gets praised. It's frustrating, right? The good news is that respect isn't something you're just born with. It's something you can earn. And it doesn't take being loud or over the top to do it. In this video, I'm sharing 8 habits that can help you instantly command respect, whether you're naturally outgoing or more reserved. So let's get into it. Number 1, move with purpose. Have you noticed how some people seem to carry an aura of authority just by the way they move? It's because they're deliberate. When you move slowly and purposefully, whether walking into a meeting or gesturing while speaking, you signal confidence and control. But rushing or fidgeting, on the other hand, can make you seem unsure. So practice slowing down even in situations where you feel pressure, because it helps you project calm and confidence. Number 2, master eye contact. Eye contact is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to command respect. People respect those who aren't afraid to look them in the eye. But here's the key. Use it strategically. Hold eye contact to show confidence, but don't overdo it. It can come across as intimidating or aggressive. Instead, hold it for 3 to 5 seconds and then break by glancing to the side, not down. This balance shows self-assurance without being confrontational. Number 3, stay calm under pressure. When things go wrong, most people react immediately, raising their voices, panicking, or lashing out. But the ability to stay composed in stressful situations sets leaders apart. Remaining calm communicates that you're in control and capable of handling whatever comes your way. So next time you feel tension rising, take a deep breath, pause, and respond thoughtfully, because this not only earns respect, but also diffuses conflict. Number 4, use open and expansive gestures. Body language speaks louder than words, and when addressing a group, matching the size of your gestures to the size of the audience is key. For one-on-one conversations, keep gestures small and direct. But in larger settings, use broader gestures that match your message's weight. For example, spreading your arms wide can emphasize an important point, while keeping your hands low signals control. This intentional use of gestures helps draw people in and keeps their focus on you. Number 5, speak with conviction. What you say matters, but how you say it matters even more. Replace hesitant phrases like "I think" or "maybe" with confident statements like "I know" or "I will." Similarly, avoid ending sentences with an upward inflection, which can make statements sound like questions. Instead, practice finishing your thoughts with a downward tone, because this simple shift in your word choice and tone instantly makes you sound more decisive. Number 6, embrace the power of pauses. Great speakers know that silence is golden, because pausing before or after a critical point builds anticipation and draws people's attention. For example, if you're making a bold statement, pause before delivering it to let your audience lean in. Pauses let you gather your thoughts and avoid unnecessary words, making your speech clearer and more impactful. Number 7, understand what motivates people. Respect often comes from understanding others' needs and using that knowledge to build stronger connections. Think about what motivates the people around you, whether it's recognition, security, or personal growth, and find ways to address those motivations. For instance, if you're asking your team to take on extra work, frame it in a way that aligns with their goals, like emphasizing how it will help them grow or gain visibility. Number 8, build unshakable confidence. Finally, respect begins with self-respect. People pick up on how you feel about yourself, so building genuine internal confidence is crucial. Confidence doesn't mean being perfect. It means trusting your ability to figure things out, even when you don't have all the answers. Start by celebrating small wins and focusing on your strengths, because the more you challenge yourself to step out of your comfort zone, the more naturally you'll exude confidence that others will respect. So, in the end, respect isn't about being the loudest person in the room. It's about mastering subtle habits that signal confidence, competence, and care. Start practicing these 8 habits today, and you'll notice how people start to see you differently, how they listen more, value your input, and ultimately respect you.